Hey, this is Scott from Weeder's Digest coming to you again talking about our Lund dock system. I wanted to talk briefly about the construction of the Lund dock. These are 2 3/8 inch aluminum OD poles. We're dealing with a heavy duty dock system here, folks. This will be the last dock system you ever buy. Let's talk just a minute about some of the other accessories. You gotta have a ramp, right? And this is the 4-foot ramp that Lund offers. Notice the same cross members on the back every 12 inches. Notice an easy connection point on the ramp system that goes right into the actual rack that you see right here. And it provides you a complete angle of your choosing, whether you need to get from a riprap or a seawall or bulkhead, and go to your dock. You'll have a nice bridgeway in which to do that. Or if you just have a standard classic kind of look with the sandy beach, build the ramp up to your dock system. Either way, this will be a great ramp. This is the 4-footer, and we also sell an 8-footer. Rigidity is everything when it comes to a dock. If this is the last dock system that you'll ever buy, this also will be the last staircase you're ever going to buy. So with this actual staircase here, you have the same kind of pin action like we did with the ladder. So it gives you the ability to pull these pins and easily pull it off. Again, no drilling. One other thing about this staircase, notice the feet. The feet have adjustments of your choosing so that you can make sure that whether you're in 3 feet of water, 5 feet, it'll do great for your dock system. No kidding, there's no drilling with the Lund dock. This is a premium dock at a value price here at Weeder's Digest.